everyday moments. That was happiness.
Exactly a year since I rode this lane. Snow falls off, but it stirs up pain. Red lights stretched like a burning chain. Beauty found in the mundane. You were next to me, fast asleep. A childlike smile, warm and deep. I nudged you gently, half awake glare. Then you held my hand and whispered, love me there.
That night, so plain, was everything. I can't go back, I can't go back to that quiet night.
Your voice shook, your gaze was low. You said, I'm having a child real slow. Your lips sealed tight like words might break. Sighed so deep like all of you ached. I said, let's live together, just you and me. You smiled through tears and clung to me. We held on tight like time stood still. Heart speaking what words couldn't fill.
That night, so plain, was everything. I can't go back, I can't go back to that quiet night.
Winter was leaving, we had our space. New keys, new room, new dreams to chase. Then darkness dropped from a ringing tone. A nightmare call on the telephone. You lay there still, your smile remained. Like a child, no sign of pain. Sleeping beauty, taken too soon. No goodbye beneath that moon.
Exactly a year since I